What is good? Doing videos back to back to back today. I usually don't wear the same fit or gloves. Well, no, I do wear the same gloves all the time, but I usually don't wear the same fit in every video. So it's the first for me. I just did the Supreme joint, and this is coming right after it or before it. I'm not sure, but yo, Supreme gloves. We're talking about Supreme later or now or before this video, whichever one comes first. I don't know which one I'm dropping first. Long story short, we're talking about some newness. I just picked up an Air Force One that I really love. I've been holding it for a minute. Decided to talk about it on this one. It's the Air Force One Rucker. Let's go. I've talked about Rucker Park in previous videos, and the reason I'm actually wearing the same fit again is because Dipset, baby. Harlem's very own. Harlem's very own. Cam and them. The Ruckers.
Can't keep telling me to speak about the Rucker. Matter of fact, I don't want to speak about the Rucker.
So much history. Kevin Durant, LeBron James, everybody going down there. Jay-Z, Fat Joe, The Beef, the everything. You know, if you grew up in the early 2000s, and a teenager, you understood those things. I was in my early 20s then. Such a great moment in time of friendly competition, friendly beefs that ended up being played out on courts, and this is before social media and, you know, just like personal stuff. But the Ruckers was big back then. The quote unquote hype about Ruckers has fallen off a little bit. The tournament, I don't know if they even play the tournament anymore, but if they do, God bless. It's a great tradition. Many parks around the country have tournaments like that, but Ruckers is probably the biggest one. And, you know, this year Nike put out a shoe commemorating the Rucker Park with the zip code and everything on it, and I just wanted to highlight that. It's been out for a minute. They restocked a few times. It was at every Foot Locker, all that stuff. It sold out eventually, but it's such a dope colorway. It fits with this today that I'm wearing, which I'm going out in this today, so I have some fit pictures on the Instagram, so follow me there. It's somewhere on the bottom here. Check that out. But yeah, right into the box. I'm keeping the white gloves on because it's a white shoe. These are gonna be my new unboxing glove, by the way. Shout out Supreme, I love it. But yeah, the Rucker Park Air Force One. Before we get into this shoe, let's talk about the box real quick. Box of this one's a little bad. I had two pairs. I gave one up, but it's a black Air Force One box. I think this is special edition boxes. I think. I don't know if the regular one's coming gray or not, but this one right here, this black box. What I've never really noticed is, if you could see that, the paper has the same little perforations in it that the Air Force One has. So you can see those little stars or whatever. There you go, the little stars. See the little stars? That's the same as on the box paper. And it says ever since 1982. So that's the box. Nice box, clean presentation. Special edition Air Force Ones, you tend to run a little higher in price than the white on whites and even the black on blacks. But these, look at this. Perfect match to the Knicks jerseys. Air on the back. Orange sole. Little basketball. Good bounce on that. White laces. There's a little cord inside. The Air Force One all day. Simple shoe. I love the tumbled leather swoosh with the orange stitching. Nice little accent there. Very simple. And the zip code for Harlem. The Rucker Park is right over the little check there. Awesome shoe. I love it. Wearing these out today. If you can still get a pair of these, go get them, man. I'm trying to get a second pair, actually, because I'm not an Air Force One guy. Never have been. But it's a little bit of history there. And these, I mean, they're just clean shoes, man. Just a very clean shoe for summer. And even winter, yo, like, just to throw them on. They're fairly comfortable, wide foot friendly, obviously. Go true to size, all that good stuff. But yeah, try it. And this came with it. I don't know if you could tell me in the comments or whatever. Do all Air Forces come with these? I don't know. It says here, basketball remains important. It's just a card, but it's kind of cool. Brings a little style. Not many shoes come with cards nowadays, but this one did. I like it. So let's go. That's it. Air Force 1 Rucker. Oh, another thing. It's got the the basketball. It's got like the hoop, like the basketball net type of meshing here. So it's a different little tongue. Just a little, again, subtle things. $120 retail, not a bad look, and very clean shoe. Goes with your Knicks jersey. Peace.